Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are missing the chat, and we have. Scroll up. Now, I know it wasn't Biggable Coke first in the chat. I swear on YouTube I saw JB first in the chat. Yeah, let's go with YouTube. Streamlabs is messed up there. We got JB Frank, Biggable. We got Nick F. Good morning to you. Biggable Coke. We got Frank CD Wit, Honorarium, Biggable Coke. Tim, we got CD Wit, Biggable Big. We got Geoped, Frank, Biggable Giovanni, Notos, Waverly, Notos, Biggable Giovanni, Notos, Biggable Giovanni, Papa, Biggable Waverly Jones. Grabbing that green name, man. Absolutely loving it. Waverly, thank you for grabbing that green name, man. And everybody in here, please say thank you to Waverly as well. That one was not gifted. That one was gotten. Waverly, man, absolutely awesome. Absolutely appreciate it. And hopefully these bros are paying attention and say thank you and welcome as well, man. Caesar, good morning to you. Biggable Giovanni, Caesar, Biggable Suzuki. We got Caesar, Suzuki, Waverly, Biggable Giovanni, Suzuki, Giovanni, Biggable. We got Giovanni, Biggable Frank, Geoped, Biggable Frank, Giovanni, Caesar, Biggable Giovanni, Biggable Suzuki, Biggable Giovanni, Biggable Honorarium, Caesar Honorarium, Suzuki Honorarium, Giovanni, Caesar Honorarium, Biggable Maurice, Giovanni, Honorarium, Biggable. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what we got going on so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $3.90. AMC has been testing some all-time lows, and it is back down 4% on the day today. Shiba Inu coin, 900 points per coin after a very stagnant morning. Look at this price action, man. Taking like 5 minutes just to tick 1 point per coin. Oh, man. There we go. 5 minutes just to tick 1 point per coin. Shooting up a little bit from 893 points to 900 points per coin right now. It is up 1.81% on the day today. GameStop, bottom right, sitting at $13.91. You've got Bitcoin in the bottom left, sitting at 43,250. It can't break out, man. It can't break out. It has been in this, like, just straight stagnant channel for the last week and a half now. And it has really been testing this 44,000 area since the beginning of December. So, Bitcoin, it is truly trying its best to break out to the upside. But it keeps getting rejected between $43,000 and $44,000 per coin. The NASDAQ having a great day today. The NASDAQ is sitting at 15,737 points, up 0.83% on the day. AMC down 4% today. GameStop down 1.5%. Dogecoin doing okay, 7.9 cents right now, 1.30% higher. Ethereum has a nice little green line on the screen, 24.13. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 900 points. Bitcoin sitting at 43,247. The SPY sitting at $497, $432 on the QQQ. All-time high on the QQQ, man. Look at this. All-time high on the QQQ. 402 reach back here, ripping beyond almost 10% higher to $432.83. QQQ is looking very strong. Mullen Auto, $691. Sundial, sitting at $1.37. Netflix, $566. It's up $10 today. Highcroft Mining, $1.89. MPW, $328. Tesla, sitting at $186. And 77 cents. You've got Amazon 169 and Apple sitting at 189 right now. Amazon is up a little, Apple is down a little. But man, we are interested in Bitcoin. I want to see this bad boy break out of the upside, break out of the downside. I want to see Bitcoin do something. Timmy. Oh, great. My chat was blocked. Geoped, why was your chat blocked? Come on now. Good morning, everybody. What's going on, Geo? Oh, I got to scroll way back down here. Yeah, I need Starlink internet. It's such crap. I've never used or known anybody to use Starlink. Has anybody ever used it? Is it good? We have a new bro, Clay. Yes, we do. Giovanni Waverly, grabbing that green name. Once again, man, Waverly, thank you very much for that. Seems like we're due for some kind of a Bitcoin pop-up or down. Yeah, Maurice. I 100% agree, and I am waiting on it. I really don't care if it goes up or down. I just want Bitcoin to move, man. I want Bitcoin to move. It has been dead stagnant for a week straight, and it's really been, I mean, it had a little bit of volatility when the ETF finally came out, and it moved like up to 49,000 and back down to 38,000. That was some good volatility. But since then, it's just been sitting right there at this $43,000 level. Took Clay's advice to heart. I was starting to stress about my positions and started being reckless. Gonna sit back and watch my bros win from the sidelines. Cheering for you guys. Caesar, man. Good. The moment you guys start stressing, you gotta take a step back. Caesar, very, very well done. And, I mean, that's the best thing you could do. Cheered for you too, Caesar. Giovanni, that we are, man. Hello, Clay. What are your thoughts on Ryoshi's Layer 2? Jake, dead serious thoughts? I don't know if it's going to be a major blockchain, okay? I am skeptical that they are going to be able to pull off something big. I truly am. If they do, however, it doesn't have to be as big as Shibarium. It doesn't have to be as big as Polygon. But if they're able to pull off a utilized network, now that could just be thousands of users. That's something to be proud of. And they are going to be burning Shib with every transaction, and it is going to require Shiba Inu coin to be owned for every transaction. So that is exactly what we need to see from community projects building around and for Shiba Inu coin. So whether or not they're wildly successful, I don't know. I don't really care. What I do know and what I do care about is it seems as though they're trying to support Shiba Inu coin. So that's my honest opinion on Ryoshi's Layer 2, Jake. But, guys, I know Caesar said he might be sitting on the sidelines, right? I have got a sponsored video that I'm going to be making this afternoon for this evening. A brand new Solana token, all right? It's in its pre-sale. The pre-sale is launching today. We're going to have a video on it. First day of the pre-sale. Cheapest era of the pre-sale. So if anybody is interested in that, please keep an eye out for tonight's video. And then, of course, if you are interested in buying some, whether it be $10, $100, or whatever, make sure to use the link that's in the description. Because, of course, the more people that use that link, the more likely they are to sponsor another video. So, it's just a little teaser right now. And I'll tease it a couple more times throughout the live stream here. But it's going to be a brand new token on the Solana network, and hopefully when it launches, it gets the ridiculous trending volume like we have seen time and time and time again from these Solana meme coins, and maybe it could do $100+ million in the very first day and rip up 5-10x, and people are able to make a lot of money there. Lots of talk on Chainlink's new contracts. Giovanni, I haven't seen anything about Chainlink recently, man, so your feed must be a little bit more diverse than mine, I guess. Bitcoin predictions after the halving. What will the price be? Coolish Ishan, man. Now, after the halving and going into the halving, I truly expect that we could see a pullback, okay? Just because we have a Bitcoin halving does not mean that the Bitcoin price has to increase. The Bitcoin halving happens because the Bitcoin price is increasing. Now, if you think about it, we are already twice as high as the previous times that we were going through a halving event, right? If you look at the bear market and the bull market cycle, you can see that 4 years ago, when Bitcoin was going through a halving, roughly in 2020, Bitcoin was sitting down in the $10,000 to $20,000 range. And of course, we are at $40,000 right now. So we are well above the prices that we had during the previous halving. It does not mean that we are going to see a double in price immediately following this halving, but I do expect over the bull run and over the longer term that we do continue to see the price of Bitcoin go up. So I truly think during the next bull run, I think that Bitcoin can attempt that $100,000 mark. I really do. How high above the $100,000 mark Bitcoin gets, I do not know, but I think it'll be attempting that level and potentially beyond. I've already seen estimates, man, that people think that it's going to be going 10x increases and attempting $500,000 and so on. I really don't know if it's going to reach that during this next bull market. I expect the next bull market to happen on a similar cycle to the previous ones. So I would expect in the next year to year and a half now, we're going to be seeing the bull market really take place. If that's the case, I don't think that's enough time for massive amounts, trillions of dollars of inflow into these Bitcoin ETFs and institutional holdings. So I think that we're going to have a nice bull bear market cycle. And then beyond that, longer term is when you really see the institutions flowing into Bitcoin there. Could you get my X post about the new Twitter site called Blue Sky? No! I don't think I saw that, Biggable. I don't think that I saw that. When did you send it, man? Because I don't see anything on here. Nope, Biggable. I just scrolled through the last 20 and I don't see it on here. I mean, it might have been below the last 20, but I don't see it on here right now. You'll have to tag me in it again. Oh, Clay, no Celestia for you. Dude, if Celestia's above $20 right now, I'm just going to end the live stream, so. Oh, Giovanni, no live stream for you. Let's see where Celestia's at. Dang, man, Monero would have been a good buy yesterday, bouncing off those $100 lows. Already jumping back up, man. Nice 16% gain in Monero there. Very, very nice. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Where's this coin? How is this not trending? Is Donkey back down? Wow, man. How is Donkey not down, man? Donkey got destroyed yesterday, coming right back down to this level of support. Bounced off of it nicely for a 5x stinking gain. Man. Where's this dog on fire coin? Look at this over the last week. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, hold on. I gotta add this one to my watch list too, because if this stupid thing dies out, I mean, it's still really, really low at a $2 million market cap. But if this thing dies out here, we'll do it here. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I gotta add fire to my watch list here. These tokens are stupid, man. 20xing in the last couple of days. If this bad boy dies out, it might get resurrected. Alright. This is what I'm talking about, okay? Man, so I'm sorry about that cough. My allergies the other day were so ridiculous. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but my skin, dude, 2 nights ago, it wasn't last night, it was the night before, I had such ridiculous welts and just a sunburnt face from the hives being so bad. And then I was sneezing and coughing so bad. I got this stupid like bronchitis level cough right now because of the allergies. I didn't have a breakout or an attack yesterday. I'm doing okay today, but I got this lingering stupid cough right now that is, I'm not sick. It's because of the allergies and really being so bad 2 days ago, but I know it probably sounds disgusting. I'm trying my best not to clear my throat, but and cough like that. But I do want to apologize if I do. I completely know if you guys, especially if you're wearing headphones or whatever, if it hits the mic, you guys are probably like, this fool's nasty. So, dude, I have to apologize. I'm trying my best not to cough, but if I do, it's literally just to clear my throat because of the allergies. But with that in mind, this type of activity right here, guys, I'm going to be doing, like I said, that pre-sale video this evening. It just launched today, and this is the type of activity I hope to see in these Solana meme coins. And 20x gaining in a week like this, if this pre-sale pans out, man, it could be absolutely sweet. So Fire, Dog in Fire, is doing very well right now. I put my lines up. I got it on my phone right now on my watch list. If this one does die out, it is something that I might be interested in getting into, but I don't know if I'm going to get into it at these levels where it's hitting some all-time highs. I'll let it pull back first. Thinking about dropping $100 on this new Solana meme coin. I haven't ever used that network. Honorarium, the very cool thing, and I don't know if you're talking about the one that I'm doing that pre-sale video on tonight, but if that's the one you're talking about, make sure to use the link, because that's how these guys know if the videos are working, if they'll want to sponsor another video, and so on. But dude, Solana's actually very cool. I know a Binance Smart Chain, and it works almost the exact same. Right? You just use Radium and instead of using PancakeSwap. But buying on Radium is the exact same thing as buying on PancakeSwap. You simply go in there, set your slippage, all that good stuff, and make your purchase. So you'll have no issue whatsoever buying after it's already launched. You're not going to have any issues buying on pre-sale if that's what you're talking about. But, dude, the cool thing is, instead of paying like 20 cents in fees, there's literally no fees. The fees are like 0.00005 Solana or something to transact on the network. So there's no gas fees, which is very nice, and which is one of the reasons these tokens have such stupid high volume. $5.76 million today in this little Solana meme coin right here. Dog in Fire. Fire, P-H-I-R-E. It's ridiculous, dude. But market cap is too high for me, though. Giovanni. I think mobile is a good buy, Caesar. Mobile. MLBI market cap's too high for me. Yeah, Giovanni's like a little $5 million market cap guy. Let's see what we got on mobile. This one here, Helium Mobile. $223 million market cap. This is like where Giovanni got out of Pendle at, and then it continued to rip up another 4x. So, yeah, man, it does look like a high market cap right now. It's already up. Keep your eye on it, though, man. This one's been out for a while. But, dude, if this comes back down to these levels, I mean, come on, Giovanni. You got to be interested in getting into it at these levels down here then. I mean, it just started to get volume for some reason. Now, is Helium Mobile, wasn't Helium a they sent you a free miner so that you could mine their cryptocurrency? Is that what Helium is? Is Helium Mobile the same thing except for you can mine it on your phone or something like that? Is that what this coin is here? But here's one. Yeah, this is on the... Oh, man. This is on the Solana network, too. I'm going to add this one, dude, because if this drops back down to here, I'll buy this. Because you're sitting on 10x gains to get back up to these levels, and you're sitting on 30x gains to get back up to these levels. I just let it sit... I mean, you know, you don't have to go crazy. If you grab $100 worth, and you end up 10, 20xing, and you make $2,000 on a little coin that you never expected to move. I mean, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to add Helium too, but I'm not going to get into these levels. I'm kind of with Giovanni on that, especially seeing how much it's testing support as opposed to testing resistance. It seems as though it wants to come down. Yep, clicked on a stupid ad. Hold on now, hold on. Alright, Helium. No, mobile. Helium mobile. 0028? Yeah. Okay. Go on. Why are you not added to my list? Alright, whatever. Added that one. Got it on there. Toby Keith passed away from stomach cancer. Yeah, roulette wheel, man. I was talking to my sister yesterday, and she was saying that. That's the guy that sang the, how do you like me now? Now that I'm on my way. You still think I'm crazy, standing here today. Couldn't make you love me, but always dreamed about living in your radio. How do you like me now? That's that guy, right? Dang it, that was good. You guys should clip that and give Toby Keith a shout out for that one, man. No bully Suzuki, never bully Suzuki. I've been paying between 0.0002 up to 0.0004 for high-end fees on Solana transactions in the last 2 weeks. Suzuki, man, those are some cheap fees, aren't they? Those are some cheap fees, man. All it is us bashing Suzuki. Yeah. I'm a noisy area and hard to hear. A lot of the stream. Well, it's alright, Suzuki. It's good. Marquette too high. He's the one that sings, I love this bar, right? I agree, Clay. If it comes down, I would get in. There you go. Bender. Clay has bills to pay. Facts, man. What are we going on? Jeez, 4 ads since I joined. Really? You got 4 ads already? Have they not been giving ads at like the 25-minute mark and the 50-minute mark? Are they adding more ads in there? Guys, if they're adding that many ads in there, I'll click on slow it down. But before, they were only putting ads on the 25-minute mark, like 12:25, and then 12:50. They were putting ads on. If you guys are getting like bombarded with ads, let me know, man, and I'll slow that down. But they were hitting them at 12:25 and 12:50, so that's fine with me. I think 2 ads during the live stream is completely fine. But, dude, this is like cable television, and you guys are getting hit with an ad every 5 minutes. No thank you. That's just some annoying stuff right there. So I will take those off if you guys are getting hit. Do you have bills to pay? Yes, but I don't want to pay them by annoying you guys. Any thoughts on Crow token? Thank you. TDF, I like Crow, okay? I do. I do think that Crow will one day reattempt that dollar mark. I own Crow, and I do think that it's going to go back up in value. What's it waiting on? I would say bull market in the sense that a lot of new users are signing up for Crypto.com. Right now, I can tell you, I don't pump any Crypto.com affiliate links. I do have Crypto.com in my emails asking to partner up. So it is a high possibility that I start to do some sort of like a Pionex Crypto.com promo instead of a KuCoin Binance promo. Because at this point in the game, man, KuCoin and Binance, you can't even use them in the United States. Crypto.com and Pionex, you can use them in the United States. So I'm a couple steps from moving over and promoting those links instead of KuCoin and Binance. But I will say that it's going to take some sort of a 2021 level of excitement and new user sign up before we would see Crow break out again and potentially hit $1. I do think that it can get to those levels though. These ads are skippable. Well then, skip on, DD214. Yeah, I got 2 when I joined. And then randomly right before that chat, I usually get 12:25 and 12:50. Yes, this one's... Alright, well, Bender, good deal then. I don't know why you got hit with the... If you get hit with one at 12:25 after just getting hit, I don't know what's up with that. I think I wasn't paying attention. Caesar, it's alright. You can... You can just add them up. It doesn't have to be paying attention. Only as I'm getting from this channel's OnlyFans website. That's what I'm talking about. Roulette wheels. Sign up now. Celestia's not yet $20. Good, Giovanni. Because it's going to hit $20 and then it's going to pop back down to $9 and it's going to let me in. 1850. My gosh, dude. 7.5% gain today. What the crap? It's not yet $20, but it's sitting here ready to pass this level of resistance at 1850. Break out of that and test 20. Dude, Celestia's a beast, man. $3 billion market cap. It is not testing any support. It is testing resistance levels. That's what sets it apart, man. That's what sets it apart right now. It's not testing support. It's testing resistance. It will be, Giovanni. Hey, Lonnie, I agree, man. Still collect one per paycheck. YFDAI. YFDAI. Collecting that bad boy. Let's see where it is. YFDAI. Yearn Finance. Oh, this is YFDAI Finance. Was this Yearn Finance before, or was that YFII? I don't even know. YFDAI is sitting at $83.31. On the week, it is up a little bit. On the month, it is down from $100. On the year, okay? On the year, it is back down to testing some major levels of support in the lower 80s, upper 70s. So that's actually a really good level of support to be buying this at on the annual graph. And my goodness, a very strong level of all-time support here. During 2022, it did come down into the $20 range, but popped up to $300, almost $400 back here in 2023, and it's back down to this $83 mark right now. So, man, dude, I don't know if it's ever going to jump back up. The circulating supply is still pretty low of the total supply. Only 3,900 YFDAI are circulating. Dang, Dark Bro, I don't know what these guys are doing, but this is actually a really low market cap. And a very, very low circulating supply. Safe Swap. I've never used Safe Swap. I've seen them though. Dude, yield farming for 72-hour lockup, that's not bad at all. Yeah, I don't know, Dark Bro, man. That I didn't realize they had such a small market cap there, dude. That's got some crazy potential. If yeah, man, if that one takes off, these guys got some crazy potential because that's really low, and even the total supply is still very, very low. So. Yeah, Dark, that's not bad at all. Bought Celestia in the $2 and change price range. Giovanni was telling me to buy some too, and I didn't do it, and now I'm kicking myself in the face. Lou is saying $40,000 XRP. Tommy, I could say a $250,000 XRP, okay? It doesn't mean that XRP is going to go to $250 million. What's important is, why does Lou say it's going to go to $40,000? Because Lou also said that AMC was trading at $12,000 a share on the real exchange. The dark pool was making it, $50 a share. But the real exchange was $12,000 a share. So why does Lou say XRP $40,000? If you can't tell me why he says it, it's probably because he hasn't said why. You need to know why. Hey, bro, if you want helium, E, you must raise hydrogen, H, to 14... Oh, God, this guy, man. He's a physics guy. It's universal standard, except for fusing a He4 to lithium, which requires higher energy. Just saying. Frank, no, I wanted the token. I wanted mobile. Not how to actually create some helium using hydrogen. But thank you very much for the physics lesson. I absolutely appreciate it. Or is that chemistry? That would be chemistry, right, Frank? That'd be chemistry, not physics there. I sent 2 million honorarium to the dead wallet this week. I just like dead wallets. Destroy that honorarium. Raise the price. Let's see. Oh, and I did start taking some turmeric. I always thought it was turmeric, but it's turmeric. I started mixing some turmeric and apple cider vinegar. Okay, I bought a bottle one time that was turmeric and apple cider vinegar mixed together. It's way too expensive, dude. Buy yourself a gallon of apple cider vinegar, organic apple cider vinegar to begin with, and buy a thing of turmeric spice. You can mix like 50 bottles together, and they're like less than $1 a bottle instead of $8 for a stupid bottle. Mix it together yourself. But I started mixing that last night. I had some last night. I had some this morning. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it twice a day or if I'll just be doing it in the mornings. But yeah, we're going to see if that works as well. I looked it up because Tim was saying that turmeric, take that instead of going big pharma, and it's going to help with your allergies. And sure enough, man, I asked Google last night, and she said that turmeric is used for like joint pain, upper respiratory issues, allergies, and I think it even said like depression. I mean, it even is supposed to lift your emotions a little bit. So I got I put like that much turmeric in the bottom of the bottle, shook it up, and with some apple cider vinegar, and just to cut the edge off a little, I squirted some honey in there. But yeah, we're gonna see how that goes, man. We'll be on that for I don't know, a couple weeks and report back on it. But dude, I'm telling you, man, if I start turning into a superhuman, you guys are going to witness it live here on the stream. All these stinking vitamins, man, and all these home remedies. A cat's going to be over here, meow, meow, rubbing on my face, and I'm just going to be like, meow, meow. Yeah, and I ain't going to be sneezing or going like this and wiping my snot so it don't start dripping down my nose and no more coughs. We're going to be all good, dude. We're going to be superhuman here pretty soon. Thank you for your Terra Luna Classic videos. Matic Dance, thank you very much for watching the Terra Luna Classic videos. I snap photoed it. I don't know what we're talking about here. Yankee, you are. I missed it, I know. Clay, bro, it's actually nuclear physics. Don't scare me with that stuff, man. Hey, new subscriber here. Can you check Gary USDT? Team is burning token every week, and Gary has more than 200 million downloads and top trending platform. The hype is crazy. Yeah, interesting facts. We'll look it up, man. I'm going to come back down to the chat, and we'll look that up here right now. I'll post the USDT chat address. Did you see it? Maybe he did. If you add black pepper to turmeric, it'll increase absorption. Dead serious? Old rounder. Dead serious? I'll put whatever the heck. Listen, at this point, I actually like apple cider vinegar, so I really don't mind the taste of this at all. But I got a lot of turmeric in there, so I can kind of feel the texture a little bit too, and I don't necessarily like it. But when I dilute it in the morning with I spike my drink with it, so it's not that bad. But yeah, dude, if I gotta add some black pepper in there and shake that up too, I will gladly do that. So, old rounder, if you're dead serious, let me know you're dead serious on that, and I'll throw some black pepper in there as well. And I'll have like a little tonic bottle of black pepper, turmeric, and if we're just talking like black pepper, like pepper that you put in a salt shaker, right? Is that what we were talking about there? Black pepper increase absorption of turmeric. But that's what we're talking about. We're not talking about like black pepper oil or anything, right? We're just talking about black pepper, just the same type of pepper that you put in a salt and pepper shaker. Yeah, don't make fun of me if I'm wrong on this, okay? I want to know because I don't want to go put pepper in it and then it tastes like crap and I mess my drinks up. But if it's going to increase absorption, dude, let's bring it on, man. Let's bring it on. Let's see. I would sell XRP if it hits $70, but that's just a dream. I'm gonna let you know, Giovanni. I have some XRP. I don't have a lot of XRP, but I would sell my XRP before it hits $70. I would, dude. You're talking trillions of dollars of valuations there before it hits $70. I would sell before it hits 70. Yes, burning of it. Gary. How much Terra Luna Classic do you have? Enough. Natick Dance. Unfortunately, I don't have a ton. Let's put it this way. I don't talk about exact numbers of anything that I have. By far, the highest holding I have at the moment is USDT. I'm just in a stablecoin ready to deploy. But, and the longest term hold I have is Zcash. But I don't have a lot of Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic, and I don't know what you consider a lot either, okay? It's not, let's put it this way, it's not a huge portion of my portfolio. I view Terra Luna Classic as like a long-term lottery ticket play, that if these kids can actually rebuild it, boom, dude, we're all going to be rich. If it doesn't, I'm not crying, right? So I want to let that be known, but I don't usually talk about exact quantities of positions or anything like that. Let's look at Gary really quick, because my boy's been asking about Gary for a minute here. Hey, which one are we looking at, man? Is it Gary Network, or are you wanting me to look at a that Solana coin that's out there? Interesting facts. Which one do you want me to look at? Because is it Gary Network? Because there's a few Garys that popped up, and I don't know which one you want to see. Yeah, but I don't know which one it is. I know he said Gary USDT, but I got Gary USDC out here on the Solana network. I mean, this is still Gary Network, right? It's got the same symbol as that Gary Network. Let me know which one you guys are talking about, and I'll gladly pull it up. When Honorarium Wallet reaches $49.50, let a bro know. He's going to be popping that into 5,000. Lime and honey for the win. Fixes everything. I prefer Tennessee honey. Well, you know what, man? I got some honey in there. I just don't have any lime in there. You want to be the 5K mark, Outdoor Smile? He does, man. He does. Zcash for the long-term win. Outdoor Smile. Zcash for the never sale. Zcash for the never sale. Let's see. I just hold 1 million, Luke. If I win, I win. Exactly, Caesar. If you win, you win. If you lose, nobody's crying. Gary USD. Gary, yes, Gary Network. All right, it's Gary Network. That's the one we got right there. We'll pull up Gary Network from my boy Interesting Facts right here. Gary Network. We're going to look at it after I catch back down. Clay. Pepperine found in black pepper increases the bioavailability of turmeric, curcumin, by 2,000%. You don't need to use much black pepper. And just to be clear, old rounder, that is the black pepper in my pepper shaker. Right? That's what we're talking about. Just throw some in there and it will be good to go. Because if that's the case, dude, you guys are going to turn me into a dang superhuman. And we're going to start making videos on life hacks and biohacks as opposed to crypto hacks here in a minute. If you guys turn me into a superhuman and get rid of this cat allergy, that's going to be the ultimate. That is the ultimate test. Because I'll either post some pictures or live stream the next time I'm dying of an allergy attack. And you guys will see that it's like legit, dude. I couldn't care less. I'll just like... When you reach a certain point of no return, it doesn't matter who you're in front of. Dude, you just got, like, blowing it out, coughing like you're dying. Your face is just, like, sunburnt with welts. Yeah, dude. You guys will see that it's the real deal. Yes, it's the correct one. All right, let's take a look at it. Interesting facts, man. Suzuki, I make $1 billion tonic a day. I supply at 7.7% and vault 16%. It pays out nice yield, which I use to bob into other coins. My crypto money generator. Lonnie, man, heck yeah. Whole $400,000 loot, or 400,000 loot, not very much, but I don't expect much out of it. To me, it's a lottery ticket play. Absolutely roulette wheel, man. Yes, that black pepper is fine to my knowledge. Boom! Well, I'm adding it to the mix then, old rounder. I'm adding it to the mix. And if any of you guys have any or more of these biohacks, let me know. Because you guys need to turn me into a superhuman so I can survive this cat here. Let's take a look at Gary Network real quick. Gary Network is currently down 0.91% of the day. It does have a very small market cap of $8.3 million. Now, only 27% of the supply is currently in circulation. I don't know if that's because they can issue additional coins. I don't know if that's because the vast majority is staked or what. But this is on the Solana network. So make sure to check it out, guys. These Solana network tokens have been doing very well. Over the last 7 days, it is down 3%. Over the last month, it is down 19%. Over the last year, it is down 45%. And all time, it has dropped from 70 to, well, 85 cents here. 85 cents down to 3 cents. Now, it would be, does market cap show up? Please, please, please. Market cap doesn't necessarily show up before that. My best guess is there were very few coins in circulation here. And then with this spike down, you may have had a massive introduction of new coins. Interesting facts. If you know the reason for this dip right here, please let us know. Because if there were very few coins in circulation here, and let's say the market cap was, $5 million or $10 million or even $20 million in this area, and then the price dropped down by, my goodness, dude, what is that, 95% loss here? You have a 95% loss in price, but if you don't have a 95% loss in market cap, it's due to dilution. And I wouldn't actually expect to get back up to these levels if that's the case, if it was diluted. And I would be a little bit concerned that there's a lot of further dilution that can take place there. So let us know, man. Interesting facts. If you know what the reason for that drop was right there, please tell us so we can look at it a little bit better. Yeah, roulette. Well, that is my wallet, but USDT will not be touched. Only for CoinMarketCap. Very good, man. Anyone could go view it in the funds. Perfectly safe. The only thing that will be used for is CoinMarketCap. Got it. Is this the same cat? You name it yet? I thought we named it Pink. So, like, officially, I have not given it a name tag collar or anything like that. At this point, dude, I don't know if its name has to be like baby or baby girl, but I've been calling the cat baby girl for like the last 3 weeks. So I don't know if that has to be its name or not. This is the same cat. Yes, this is the only cat that I have ever been around, and this is the longest I have ever been around a cat in my entire life. And it's a beautiful, bittersweet love story, man. This cat wants nothing but love, wants nothing but attention, and the more attention and the more love I give this cat, the more that I want to die, and the more that my allergies try to spike up. So it is a very interesting battle between overcoming some of the most ridiculous allergies that I have. And I got some bad allergies, right? Like I can barely go outside in the springtime when the pollen's in full swing. So it's interesting, man, but this cat is awesome. So I don't know. I've been calling her baby girl. I don't know if that means her name is baby girl, if her name's baby or what, but at this point, she does not have a collar with a name tag on it. That's what the Squid Coin creators said to all the holders. Locked everyone from selling, and bam. See ya, suckers! seriously, yeah, don't let that happen to anybody, man. CKB, Nervous Network, holding 005. Could you do quick technical analysis? Maurice, let's pull it up, man. I'll hopefully catch y'all at 4. Have a good one, bros. Bender, peace out, man. Thank you very much for being in here. Anybody here is Phantom Network? Use Phantom Network. I have not. If anybody else has, let us know. I've had bros send me a lot of money to help get honorarium or something along those lines. If I was a dishonest person, I'd be rich by now. Nobody likes thieves, dude. Nobody. Now you know why I sent you money, Dark Bro. There you go. Can you stake Solana on it? On Phantom Network? I don't know, guys. I don't deal with BS. Like, nah, don't steal. It's that simple. It is that simple, man. Claysha. The cat's name is not Claysha, but let's get started. Hey, bro, if the cat does kill you, well, we'll name her Hillary. Listen, dead serious. If you guys ever see, like, a day go by where I don't post any videos, yeah, the assumption can probably be made that something tragic has happened. Because even if I'm in, like, a hospital bed, they're not going to stop me from posting a video. So something bad really had to have happened if I never posted a video. And then, yeah, you can alert the authorities and name the cat Hillary. That's completely fine. But definitely, Frank, you're on it, man. FTX and Alameda were investors. They sold all their tokens and got liquidated during the bear crash. Ooh. Okay, interesting facts. Yeah, I mean, that would coincide with the timing there. All right. Legit. Interesting facts. That does coincide with the timing, so. What does he got? July of 2022, right? God, dude, how this token is $1.63. I don't know. This was a little later on this sell-off right here, but yeah, I could see how that would be a possibility, man. With Terra Luna Classic's fallout and then the subsequent fallout of FTT right here, I could see how that would happen. I have no idea how in the world is this still a $500 million coin? This is a dead company right now. What is going on? Clay cat name? Cleopatra. Ooh, that could be a good one as well, Suzuki. We will NFT the cat. You should NFT the cat, man. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. I am betting money you will donate or give your cat to your sister. He's got $5 that he's betting against me keeping this cat. I don't see, on the one end, okay, my sister, she's got a Bengal. My sister loves cats, right? My sister's not allergic to cats somehow. Fake news if you ask me. And I know for a fact my sister already loves this cat. She's come over plenty of times to play with this cat. And in the event that I certainly could not continue to keep this cat, that is the only other option, is that she does get the cat. I will die of an allergic reaction before a third option is introduced there. So I'll let you guys know that straight on the live stream. The option would be me keep, sister keep, or I die trying to keep. But dang it, man. You guys are betting against me keeping this cat already? What the heck? I'm gonna have to go over my sister. I'm gonna have to go over to my sister's house and play with her every day then. Clearly just say it ran away. Nah, I won't say it ran away, dude. No, not at this point, man. The cat's way too nice. He goes, sound bet. Yankee, man. He's taking that bet right there. So for anyone who is concerned or cautious about sending donations to the USDT wallet, I am not a thief. Everyone who has sent funds to that wallet is safe, and they have remained there clearly visible. 7.24%. Alani, I know I missed something on that 7.24%. We have faith in you, Neckbeard. Stay the course. I'm going to pump it up. I'm going to become superhuman J-Bones, and they got faith in me, except Roulette Wheel. Roulette Wheel. Ask the 8-Ball. Will I keep this cat? As I see it, yes. Roulette wheel. Right there. Oh, floating away, floating away, floating away. As I see it, yes. You can see it right there. Hard to see, but you can see it. 8 Ball says, as she sees it, yes. Did my funds come through from wallet 973D? Oh, for honorarium there. Before I make more name suggestions, it's a girl. It is a girl. Give me an hour, Alani, and I will post it in the Discord. Peter, very nice. And just say it went to the farm. No, I'm not. You guys are getting. No, I'm not killing the cat, man. Incoming Dave GPT. Well, 8 Ball's never been wrong. So, yeah, the 8 Ball has never been wrong. Okay? Sometimes the 8 Ball's timing might be off, but the 8 Ball has never been wrong. You guys are ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Let's see here. I want to see how some of these Solana coins are doing that we've been looking at over the last couple of days. As Dog in Fire continues to rip higher. My gosh, dude. $2 million market cap. Man, oh man, oh man. Nah, I can't imagine. I'm gonna put one more line on here. I can't imagine this would ever come back down to these levels. But if it did, that is definitely a buy down there. Those are the levels I'm watching on that one. But one that I wanted to see is that T coin on Solana. It came out like last week. What are you doing? You're not even going to show me the coin? What are you talking about? You gotta be. Ah, dude, boldface lie, man. There's no way. Nah, because there's a couple of them, Suzuki. I don't think that's the one I'm talking about. I'm not talking about MAGA, man. I'm talking about straight up T. Talking about this one right here. Talking about this one right here. Trading at 4 zeros and a 6. It's up 12% today. No. I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the one that's a $2.8 million market cap. These are not the ones that I'm talking about. If you're talking about this one, it's 246. It's following the one on Ethereum. That's up from like a buck last week and a penny from a couple months ago. Different one. Yeah, but that's a different one. I'm not talking about that one. That one's doing phenomenal too. But not what I'm talking about. Dude, you are I know, dude. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. Why the heck can't I search that term? Caesar, it's backwards, man. Nah, yeah, but Giovanni, man, I'm not talking about MAGA. I'm talking about this coin. This is a different one. Why does this search term not come up? No pairs found. I mean, clearly that's a lie. Look at this coin right here. Who the heck owns Dex Tools? Bouncing right off, man. Moving nicely higher today. Oh, boy. Yeah, Biggable Coke, dude. I think that's pretty obvious. I think that's pretty obvious if you can't even search that term on Dex Tools. Something shady's going on there, man. Something shady's going on there. I mean, look, guys. Nothing. There you go. And that's not me typing the wrong stuff in either. I clearly know the name of this coin. I had to search it by its contract address just to get to it. Dude, just let these people trade their cryptocurrencies. Just let these people trade these cryptocurrencies, man. What the heck is Dex Tools doing that they're literally going in there and banning search terms like that? What? Dude. Okay, later, Jay. Got a jam later, bros. Colito, enjoy your day, man. Yes, I know, but it will show up as it could. But, dude, something's going on with that, right? Old Rounder. Thank you very much for the member chats. Altcoin rally starts February 14th. Buckle up, boys and girls, because it's time for the bros to make some money. Let's get started. Old Rounder, man, I absolutely hope that altcoin season does start. I hope that just bull market season starts on February 14th. I will take a lovely Valentine's Day present in the form of an altcoin rally, man. Check it out, bad. Elon with hat on Solana rugged me. All right, let's check out Elon with hat, man. There was a T with hat, too. Ooh, on Solana? Gotta be this one. Oh, crap. $320 market cap. Double snap, dude. Coming in for the double loss. Ripping up and then going to 8 zeros and a 4. Man, down to 9 zeros and a 4. 90% decline. And then, of course, or even worse. And then, of course, coming back down again. 746 holders, $2,000 in liquidity. That is a very big loss, man. Hey, if it doesn't die out, if people decide to buy Elon with hat, you might get a little bit of a resurrection there. If not, man, yeah, dude, this is the ridiculous thing that happens with these meme coins. Another one, Patent. I was in Patent last week, and unless Patent revives itself, obviously I've not sold off of it, but if Patent revives itself, I'll be doing very well in that coin. If it does not revive itself, well, there was another rug, man. They're all in that ring together. The type of power reaches everywhere. It doesn't matter what it is. Honorarium. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. That was just really stupid what I saw happen there. It's the worst graph I've ever seen. Let's close with Honorarium. See where we were today. Helped 2 more buyers last night. Very, very nice. Let's see what we got going on with Honorarium. HRM. Honorarium is currently up 3.47%. It is ticking back up from the middle of this channel that it loves to live in. A $108,000 market cap, $12,490 in the liquidity pool. Honorarium is currently looking very strong. This one has not yet rugged. And I actually, unless the bros go to sell, I don't expect this one to rug at all. Unless all of the bros sell off of their honorarium and decide to end it. That is a very healthy graph, guys. That is one of the healthiest graphs I've seen in a coin that is brand new and it doesn't have that death candle on there. But nonetheless, guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Now, don't forget, if you are interested in that Solana coin pre-sale, I'm going to be doing a video on it this evening, so make sure to check that out. Clearly, if you guys are interested, whether it's $10 or whatever, the better the pre-sale does, the more likely they are to sponsor another video and so on. So appreciate every single one of you guys for watching it, sharing it, and all that good stuff in advance. Shout out to Caesar, man. Thank you very much for being in here. Old Rounder, thank you very much for the advice on the black pepper. And, of course, for the 16 months, so bro. Honorarium, Richard, see you later. Outdoor Smile, have a great one. Honorarium, Roulette Wheel, Outdoor Smile, Honorarium, J-Bones, baby. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Richard, see you later, man. Honorarium, Old Rounder, Biggable Coke, see you later. We got Outdoor Smile, Honorarium, DD214, Eastern Time, always Eastern Time. J-Bones, enjoy it, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.